Let me tell you why I love this travel neck pillow. I am currently on the train. While the seats are comfortable, when you want to sleep, you need the neck pillow. I love this one. First of all, it's super soft. You can use it on both sides. And the reason I like it so much is because it goes under your chin. So when you are falling asleep, your neck doesn't fall down, and I will show you what it looks like. You can see that my chin sets right on the pillow here. And it has a little place that you can pull it through, and this just snaps. And that way, if you are a sleeper with your head sideways, you have all this extra room here. This extra pillow here for your head. So if you're looking for a travel pillow, I definitely recommend this one.